Karen. Hi. Children.
Where's Genghis Khan?
Here, have a look at this. See all these ox?
Yeah.
That is how the great Khans used to travel with the soldiers. Okay, so here is, let's see where they started. No, there is very, I've often wondered about that, and Genghis Khan isn't in this.
Why?
I speculate because this resort was built by Chinese, and all of these emperors that you see here were people that ruled the place after the capital was moved to Beijing. You see this decoration here? This is a traditional style of decoration that they do, a type of art. When that's a pelt from a sheep or some other animal, and they've painted on it. And in the middle, that is actually a Buddhist symbol. It's called a swastika, which later was turned around and stolen by the Nazi movement in Germany when they had the swastika. Have you seen that before? A big red flag with a white spot with the black thing, the shape of that in the middle of it. But it's actually an ancient Buddhist symbol. It means peace.
So they're basically saying that they're peaceful?
No, it was just a symbol that they wanted a symbol, so they took one that was popular and used by other people and that was successful. Yeah.
Basically saying they're Buddhists.
No, they're just basically saying they're Nazis. This is what we've been driving around in on the way to Turelch.
And you like it?
Yes. Now we're ready. The kids are over there. We're going to turn this around. Just put the hot pocket in there.
Oh, cool.
You can calculate. It's in Russian.
Yeah. Look at the tank and look at the scope thing. It's in perfect condition.
Wow. Can I have that?
Yeah. I don't know if it's recording.
Yeah, it is.
But George.
This is the view from the Shaman Resources limousine. Cramped, but utilitarian. And the door.
Okay, you guys, who am I?
No.
The guy in Tiananmen Square?
Pistols. Det är bara något stort i huset.
I think you have to choose one.
I know, but I'm just saying.
This one. You know the one
Okay.
bort det.
So those two? I'll try that one.
Erdine,
Yeah?
what do you think of these Mausers?
Mauser?
It's kind of a goofy gun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Huh?
You have to try that Mauser.
Okay, tell them to bring the Mauser up too.
Okay.
Okay. Quite a selection.
Arka tutunçta.
Forget that one.
This one?
Yeah, forget it.
Aiden wants to shoot a pistol of some sort.
Okay.
I'll try the Mauser, I guess.
AK, AK, SD, Mauser. Тэгээд энэ DP. Тэгээд болно доо. Өөр юм байна. Huh? Skizzer. Why never bother?
There, point to the one Ben you want.
Tell them to give us.
Down.
They only have that.
Look at me. Once more.
How good is this? Yeah, it's a Russian Jeep. It's a Russian van, actually. It's four-wheel drive. It's awesome. Look at the undercarriage of this thing. It can go anywhere. Okay, and you pimp that out. You put a comfortable interior and a stereo system and all that stuff. Tell me that that wouldn't be the thing to take
There aren't
camping.
a lot of them around.
No.
Dad.
Okay, we better get out of the way.
George is ready.
Sorry.
That restriction is not in the arc of the.
Not on the business side of this.
No. It's like a weapons cache and when rebels get
Exactly.
caught in the head back.
Awesome.
Turn to hide the wood.
There's like a blanket and then you flip it over, then there's another, then you flip it.
Oh.
I saw the bullet miss.
Doog'ur darаад авах шиг. Доогуур дараад энэ. Доогуур ороод энэ те. Хилээ наар.
Another miss.
Яг энэ дээр хөөе.
This is what happens in Delcurcan Basin if you mess with Shane. So that's what I did, and that's what Angus did. Nice.
A little bit. I shot clouds.
Up.
Aim up, Daddy.
A little higher, lower,
No, he should. Yeah, no, see where you shot there?
higher.
Not so good.
Keep going. Is it done?
And later when it fell over, you smashed another time.
There we go. Here, like this. Yeah, pull the trigger. Video.
You're well covered.
Like that.
Wow.
That isn't too bad.
Тэгээ нааднаас дахиад нэг хоёр сонголч идэх болов. Харахгүй. Тийм харна тийм. Хоёр сонголч.
Dad, how many more shots do we have?
Whoa, Sammy!